Talaga
Kaya parang may kakampi lang siya.
Thank you po. Ang bait mo naman kay Chef.
Hello, gwapo kayo. Kung kamukha ko yan, kakampihan ko ba yan? Lalo ko lang.
Alright daw, alright.
Okay.
Okay, I'll what do you want me to do?
Just saute lang.
Okay, just let it,
Yep.
Pag nagsasaute, you don't actually have to keep going like that. Just relax. Ano itong dinagdag mo siya?
Green beans.
Okay, and
Green
just
beans.
the so it's in sesame oil.
Yes, in sesame oil.
Why?
Kasi nandito
Para
na.
for the flavor?
Kasi nabusan ako ng mantika.
May
Pero pwede rin.
nadadagdag na bongga talaga.
Yes, yes. So mamaya, yun, mag-incorporate yung lasa nito at lasa nito. So, isa lang lang. Okay, next. Okay, chicharo. Or snow beans.
Chicharo.
I love chicharo. Favorite ko yan talaga.
Sarap sa pansit.
Lagay ako ng spring onions.
Gifted ka lang ba talaga, Pao, na you don't have to work out, pero ganyan pa rin yung abs mo, yung katawan mo? Ba't ganon?
Hindi no, actually I gained over.
Saan?
Medyo parang 6 months na rin wala masyadong workout pero.
You want me to do that? Can you just hold
So,
this?
sobrang
Okay.
busy rin yun rin naman.
So, pero yun, yung kasi, okay pa rin. You still have the definition.
I minsan lang pag medyo napapansin
Ano nila,
ko na.
ito na yung